A new warning about whooping cough cases now on the rise right as the kids get ready to head back to school. As new numbers show, more kindergartners than ever are opting out of vaccinations. Maya Eaglin has more.
Cases of whooping cough spreading across the U.S., especially the Carolinas. And it's coming at a concerning time as millions of kids head back to classrooms.
It can be a very severe disease.
It's technically called pertussis, and it's a bacterial infection causing severe coughing.
My hospital, we had no cases in 2023, 13 in 2024, and already this year, and we're only halfway through the year, we've had 27.
More than 6 times as many whooping cough cases were reported last year compared to 2023, according to the Centers for Disease Control.
How contagious is whooping cough and how dangerous is it?
So first of all, it is quite contagious in very young children. As many as 2/3 will have periods where they stop breathing. About 20% of children who are young will get pneumonia.
The rise in cases comes as new data from the CDC show a record number of children did not receive their recommended vaccinations last school year, with 4.1% of kindergartners opting out of the shots. Most of those vaccine exemptions were given to families citing religious or personal reasons. With both kids and adults at risk, doctors say there are ways you can reduce you and your family's chances of getting sick.
We've been using these vaccines like pertussis for many, many decades. It usually takes about 1 to 3 weeks after you've received any vaccine to get the maximum benefits. So you don't want to wait till the day before school to get your children immunized.
Important reminders for all of us. Maya Eaglin, NBC News.